This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Apple device has Apple Pay active and a verified card, and that your Ps5 account region matches your Apple Pay country. Once done, update the Ps5 system software and connect the console to Wi-Fi. Now sign into your PlayStation Network account on the Ps5. This prepares the store and payment settings. These first steps remove region or verification errors, so transactions can proceed smoothly when you add Apple Pay or use an alternate payment flow. Next, you navigate to Ps5 settings, then Users and Accounts, and select Payment and Subscriptions to add a payment method. Choose the option to add via mobile or browser payment flow. Ps5 will show a QR code or short URL. Use your Apple device to open that link. When prompted, select Apple Pay and confirm the card and billing details. Make sure to approve the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. This binds the payment for store purchases without entering full card numbers on the console. To finish, verify that Apple Pay is listed under Ps5 payment methods and set it as default if you want quicker checkout. Then buy a small, inexpensive item to test the flow. This confirms authorization and prevents bigger surprises. If something goes wrong, first recheck your Apple device region and that the card is verified in Wallet, then confirm your PSN country matches. Also restart both devices and try the QR or link again. Often a simple device reboot or region mismatch is the root cause of failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.